Hello and welcome to this coding tutorial. Today, we are going to tackle a very popular interview problem, finding all duplicates in an array efficiently. Here is the challenge. You are given an integer array where the numbers are between 1 and n, where n is the size of the array. Some elements appear twice and others appear once. Your task is to find all the elements that appear twice. For example, in this input array, the numbers 2 and 3 appear twice, so that is our output. This problem comes with two critical constraints that make it interesting. First, your solution must run in linear time, or O of n second, and most importantly, you must solve it using constant extra space, or O of 1. This means we cannot create massive new data structures to store information. Let's start with a brute force approach. The most obvious way is to use two nested loops to compare every number with every other number. While this is easy to write, it gives us a time complexity of O of n squared, which is far too slow for large datasets and does not meet the requirements. Another common approach is to use a hash set or a hash map. We can store numbers as we see them, and if we encounter a number that is already in our set, we know it is a duplicate. This runs fast in O of n time, but it uses O of n space to store the set. This violates the constant space constraint. To solve this optimally, we need a key insight. The problem guarantees that all numbers are between 1 and n, since array indices range from 0 to n-1. The values in the array map perfectly to the indices of the array. This means we can use the input array itself as our memory storage. This leads us to the negation strategy. We iterate through the array. For each number, we look at its absolute value and treat it as an index. We then go to that index and flip the number reciting there to negative. If we ever try to flip a number that is already negative, it means we have visited this index before, so the current number must be a duplicate. Let's visualize this. Suppose we are at index 0 and the value is 4. We convert 4 into an index, which is 3. We then look at the number at index 3, which is 7. We flip 7 to -7 to mark that we have seen the number 4. Now imagine we are further in the loop and we encounter the number 2. We map this to index 1. When we check index 1, we see the number there is -3. Since it is already negative, we know we have processed a 2 before. Therefore, 2 is a duplicate, and we add it to our result list. Here is the Python implementation. We loop through each number in the array. We calculate the target index using the absolute value of the current number -1. If the value at that index is negative, we append the number to our result. Otherwise, we multiply the value at that index by -1. Let's analyze the complexity. We iterate through the array exactly once, giving us O of n time complexity. We modify the input array in place and only use a few variables for tracking, which satisfies the O of 1 space complexity. This is the optimal solution. To summarize, by mapping values to indices and using negation as a marker, we can track duplicates without extra memory. This technique of using the input array as a hash map is a powerful pattern to remember for array-based coding interviews.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.